Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about interferon family of cytokines, which is also known as class 2 family. Now under this we have type 1 interferons. Type 1 interferons, these are composed of interferon alpha and beta and are secreted by activated macrophages, dendritic cells as well as the cells that are viral infected. So what they do, they stop the replication of infected cell so that the new viral particle should not spread to the healthy tissues. And how they do that? By the induction of ribonuclease that destroy viral and cellular RNA. By the name, ribo means RNA, nucleases means it breaks the nucleic acid RNA. So it destroys the viral as well as cellular RNA so that the protein synthesis will stop, and via which the cells that are viral infected is prevented from replication and spreading the virus to the healthy cells or tissues. Now it also inhibits normal cellular function and destroy viral infected cell, as I told you, so that the infection cannot spread. Now this type 1 interferons, these are dimers of 18 to 20 kilodalton polypeptides. It is helical in nature and some members of this family are naturally glycosylated. These are also used in the treatments of hepatitis infection. Now under this, one more interferon type is type 2 interferon, which is interferon gamma. These are produced by activated T and NK cells. Interferon alpha and beta, those are mainly produced by dendritic cells and macrophages, and these are produced by T and NK cells. Therefore, these are the modulators of adaptive immune response because T cells are of adaptive immune system. They help T cell towards Th1 type and induce the activation of macrophages with subsequent destruction of any intracellular pathogens and the differentiation of cytotoxic T cells. That means it helps in the destruction of infected cells by activating macrophages via Th1 type. Now under this family, interferon family, we have interleukin 10 also secreted by monocytes and by T, B and dendritic cells. Structurally, they are similar to interferon gamma. Then interferon lambda, discovered in 2003. Interferon 1 lambda, which is also known as interleukin 29, 2 lambda, also known as interleukin 28A, and 3 lambda, also known as interleukin 28B. This helps in the upregulation of expression of genes that control viral replication and host cell proliferation. Now the interferon receptors, these are also like you can see here alpha and beta. These are dimers of alpha and beta. As soon as any cytokines bind with this receptor, what happens? Dimerization of receptor, which results in the changes in the cytoplasmic domain of these receptors. In the cytoplasmic domain, JAK, that is JAK a kinase is present which autophosphorylates themselves as well as the cytoplasmic domain of the receptor. In turn, it also phosphorylates the STAT. STAT means signal transducers and activators of transcriptors. So it will phosphorylate STAT. These phosphorylated STAT undergo dimerization, and this dimer form of STAT can cross the nuclear membrane and bind to the DNA with and hence bring the specific gene transcription. So this is about interferon signaling and the receptors. So interferon signaling, not only this interferon signaling, in the last video we learned about class 1 family also. So this pathway is common for both class 1 and class 2 cytokine family. So what is this family? This is known as JAK-STAT family or JAK-STAT signaling pathway. So this pathway is common for both class 1 and class 2 cytokine receptor. In mammals, there are 7 STAT proteins and 4 JAK proteins responsible for the signal transduction of various responsible for the signal transduction depending upon the type of cytokines. So that's all for this video. If you found the video informative, please do like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the next video notification. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.